All right, people, welcome back. I'm on my way to Northeast Philly to pick up some parts, and sorry about the sun glare. I am driving 70,000 mile F-150 that Caleb went on a 9-hour road trip. Yes, to check engine light because this truck sits more than it's driven, and I took the catalytic converters off because it doesn't get driven, and I don't want them to get stolen. So that's that. Maintenance required. So someone said maintenance required only shows up for oil changes. You're so wrong. Maintenance required means maintenance is required, and it is up to you or your skilled professional to tell you what maintenance is required. It's a given that your car is going to need an oil change, but what else it may or may not need for repairs and maintenance. So I just want to do that. Your oil life indicator is exactly that. It is some type of indicator, and it is not accurate based on everyone's driving habits and driving conditions and internal engine issues, if there are any. So there is a difference, but maintenance required means maintenance is required. So if you have a car that has 3,000 miles on it and your maintenance required light has come on, hey, I just blew a red light in Philly. How about that? Let's see if I can get another ticket. Every time I come to Philly, I get a ticket on the boulevard. So if your car is brand new and 3,000 miles, and we're just using a scenario, your maintenance required light comes on, right? What does that mean? Well, you can either look in your owner's manual and see if that accurately steers you in the right direction, or take it in for your service provider and have them tell you what's going on. 3,000 miles, really not much possibly needed, depending on environment, driving conditions, abuse, non-abuse, right? So 3,000 miles, you could need a tire rotation because you beat the crap out of your car. You could use an air filter or a cabin air filter, depending on the environment your vehicle's subjected to. So maintenance, people, maintenance required. Doesn't mean just an oil change. And that's what the problem is in this world, is lack of educating the consumer on what's going on. So oil life indicators are just a tool and not to be generalized for everybody. Every vehicle's different, every body's different, every condition's different, from 0 mileage to millions of miles. Something is different from your vehicle to the next vehicle. So oil life indicators, do not trust them. Sometimes don't trust your service provider that he's actually doing a good job for you. Did he check your oil the last time you were in at 150,000 miles and tell you that, hey, you went 5,300 miles and burned 2 quarts of oil? Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. Or maybe you're just going to show up and say, hey, my oil light came on, my engine light's on, and my engine's rattling. Why is that? He's like, well, you're out of oil. Well, I didn't see any oil leaking on the ground. Nope, it burned it up, sir. Well, usually it doesn't burn up all that oil overnight. It's a progressive problem. So maintenance required is exactly that. Maintenance, not just oil change. Thanks for watching.